Morning, everyone. I am walking up the hill right now towards the skull boulder. Hang on a second. If you can see behind me here, actually, before I get up to the top of the hill, I have excavated a bunch of holes, various rocks came out of these holes. Some of them I have cataloged, categorized, and posted about. But getting to the nitty-gritty. This is the skull rock. It's kind of difficult to see right now because nature is constantly trying to consume what is here, so I'm just constantly uncovering and digging. Oh wow. Since I was here last, there's been a couple storms and some branches and such are down. You can see here behind me, this is yet another monolithic boulder, approximately 6 foot long, 2 foot wide. Covered over by leaves, yet again. And now over here, on the other part of the hill, adjacent. Wow, this is going to be really difficult to show here. Wow, everything is covered up since I've been here last. Wow, I dug up everything, raked so many leaves, and nature has just reconsumed it all. Wow, this is going to be a little more difficult than I had anticipated. Mainly because now I have to go through and find the 5 rock piles that made up the henge again. This was one of them. That's a large rock, but underneath the leaves there are other approximately fist-size rocks. There's another one on the ground. You can see what I'm working against here. Oh. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. There's another one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is going to be really difficult to see, but 1, 2, I believe somewhere under there is 3.